Welcome back for previous year questions analysis. Hope you're practicing more questions. Solving previous year questions helps you to follow syllabus and pattern more accurate. Today let's discuss some important questions in Indian polity. Consider the following statements. 1. The Parliament of India can place a particular law in the 9th schedule of the Constitutions of India. 2. The validity of a law placed in the 9th schedule cannot be examined by any court and no judgment can be made on it. Which of the statements given above is correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option A. Once a law is enacted and included in the 9th schedule, it gets protection under Article 31(b), validation of certain acts and regulations, and is not subject to judicial scrutiny. The 9th schedule, Article 31(b), was introduced by the former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru to keep certain laws, particularly those on land reforms, beyond the scope of judicial review. The mandate of 9th schedule is to prevent judicial scrutiny, but in a landmark ruling in IR Coelho vs. State of Tamil Nadu, 2007, the Supreme Court of India ruled that all laws, including those in the 9th schedule, would be open to judicial review if they violated the basic structure of the Constitution. The Supreme Court judgment laid that the laws placed under 9th schedule after 24 April 1973 shall be open to challenge in court if they violated fundamental rights guaranteed under Article 14, 19, 20 and 21 of the Constitution. The court also said that by using the power to amend the Constitution, Parliament cannot alter its basic or essential features like federal structure, separation of power between the three organs of the states and judicial review, among other things. Let's see another question. Which one of the following objectives is not embodied in the preamble to the Constitution of India? A. Liberty of thought. B. Economic liberty. C. Liberty of expression. D. Liberty of belief. Answer is option B. Economic liberty is not embodied in the preamble to the Constitution of India. Keep practicing more previous year questions. Thank you.